And as you can see, we use AI to provide insights about your business. And we do this using machine learning. And we can integrate into your existing CRM. We use buyer intent data to identify who's been viewing your profile on G2. And that's how you guys can do more business for yourselves. And then the business can keep going and you can keep doing more business.
Hey Chris, I think you're on mute.
Oh, that's my bad. We provide synergies across business functions. And this is exactly the solution your business needs. So, do you have any questions?
Hey, I think your video froze. Could you please go through that again?